Good day everyone, I welcome all of you to our channel Stay Awesome. In today's video we are going to learn something which is important for all of us in our lives. That is your listening skills and the art of being silent, the art of being focused and concentrated at one place. Let's begin with this wonderful story. Before I begin, I would like you to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more constant updates and motivation. Let's begin. Today I am going to share with you a story that will make you think and relate that this story is similar to you in life. Maybe the sequences which we will cover will be different, but you will be able to relate yourself as you move on. यहाँ पर समझ लीजिए कि जो भी कैरेक्टर्स आएंगे या फिर जिसके बारे में ज़िक्र किया जाएगा उस शख्स को लेकर, उस कैरेक्टर को लेकर अपने आप को रिलेट करें ताकि आप अपने लाइफ के सिचुएशंस को उस सिचुएशन पर डालें और ये टिप्स फॉलो करें ताकि आपको उसमें कामयाबी हासिल हो. That's the simple thing that we get out of this story. The story goes like this. Once there was a happy farmer who used to work in his farms, in his field, day and night. That was their ancestral farm. Grandfather का था, उसके बाद father, now son is handling it, and their family is into farming since generations. तो वो बहुत खुश थे अपने काम को लेकर और मेहनत करते थे दिन रात अपने खेतों में. एक दिन ऐसे ही सुबह आफ्टर डूइंग दी फार्मिंग दी फार्मर कलेक्टेड दी वेजिटेबल्स, वो जो प्लांट्स लगे हुए थे वो सारे उन्होंने एक बास्केट में डाला और उन्होंने देखा कि वहाँ पर बच्चे आकर खेल रहे हैं. एंड दिस वाज द फार्म विच हैज़ दी प्ले एरिया एज वेल, जहाँ पर बच्चे सुबह के टाइम में आते थे और खेलते थे ड्यूरिंग देयर वेकेशन टाइम. एंड दे यूज्ड टू लव दिस मैन. ये फार्मर जो थे वो ओल्ड हो गए थे. The children used to love him and he used to love the children. He appreciates them coming to the farm and playing, and sometimes he plays along with them. तो ऐसे ही वो बच्चे खेल रहे थे, फार्मर ने उनको देखा और खुश हुए. उसके बाद the farmer noticed that he was wearing a wrist watch and now it is lost somewhere. Wrist watch पहने हुए थे and the wrist watch is not there anymore. And he started looking for the wristwatch. The watch was very precious to him because that was gifted to him by his father. तो उन्होंने देखा उनको नहीं मिला तो उन्होंने बच्चों को बुलाया. My dear children, come here, come here. All the children came and asked, what happened, grandfather, what happened? तो उन्होंने बताया कि while I was doing the farming in the morning, I missed my watch somewhere. कहीं पर खो गया है, मुझे आप लोगों की मदद चाहिए ताकि वो रिस्ट वॉच वापस आ सके, मैं ढूंढ सकूं, हम लोग उसे ढूंढ सकें. एंड माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, द रिस्ट वॉच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी, इट इज़ प्रीशियस फॉर मी बिकॉज इट वॉज गिफ्टेड बाय माई फादर व्हेन आई वाज अ किड. तब से लेकर इट इज़ माई मेमोरेबल वॉच एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द प्रीशियस थिंग्स विच आई होल्ड नाउ. एंड द चिल्ड्रन सेड यस यस यस, वी आर रेडी टू हेल्प यू आउट, वी विल सर्च फॉर द रिस्ट वॉच. और वो गए फार्म में, फील्ड के अंदर उतरे और उन्होंने they started searching, looking for the watch here and there. They were looking for it but they couldn't find it. There were 8 to 10 children. They were in hustle and bustle, running around, watching for it, looking for it all over the fields but they couldn't find it. बहुत सारे वक्त गुजरने के बाद after 1 or 2 hours they came back and said, grandpa, we are unable to find the wristwatch. There was one boy, little boy, 7-8 years old. He said, even though we have looked the entire field, but give me one chance, give me one more chance, I want to try once again. And all the children stood there with grandfather. This little boy went inside the field again, and after 7 to 8 minutes he came back with the watch. He came back with the watch and they were really happy. They were all really excited. And grandfather said that I am going to reward you abundantly. Whatever you wish for, I am going to get it for you. उसके बाद He asked the little boy. We all searched for the watch, but we couldn't find it. How did you do that? How did you find it? He said, when we all were hurrying up and looking for the watch, talking and going here and there, running around, there was a lot of disturbances here. There was a lot of disturbances here. And so that is why we couldn't focus and couldn't find it. Now when all are here, I went inside the field again, walked slowly, patiently, listened to the tick, 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 tick sound of the watch, and I could find it. I focused on one place to the other. I was listening to the sound of the watch. I was silent. There was no noise here, no noise here. And it was clear that I am going to find it. And I found it. Everyone learned a beautiful lesson on that day, that when you listen, when you are silent, when you focus, you are sure to achieve what you want to achieve in life.